Welcome to Letter the Sky. This application is probably best used on a touchscreen or a tablet like an iPad, but the object is for kids to get comfortable writing the letters. So I'm going to click here to play. And so I can select from different game modes. I can practice the entire alphabet in capitals or the entire alphabet in lower cases and then print out all of my drawings on one page. I can also select the option to write a specific letter or word, and I can also select the line colors. So let's show you how this works if I choose a specific letter or word. Let's choose the letter house with a capital H-O-U-S-E. And then I'm going to select line colors. I like red, and let's do red and yellow. And I can change these after every letter. So I click Start Game, and I see a capital H, and I follow the arrows. And so I'm going to draw, and you see I have a goose here. I'm going to draw a vertical line down. Okay. And as you see here, there's an accuracy rating. So I'm still at 100% accuracy. If I go outside the lines, my accuracy will fall. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the horizontal line where the arrows are pointing. And then, once I've drawn that line, the arrows automatically know that I'm ready to draw my second vertical line. And so I've made my first H. So I was at 100% accuracy. That took me 38 seconds. And now I go on to the O, so I can select new line colors now. So I'm going to make, let's try green and blue. Next letter. And, okay, so now I just have to make an O. And like I said, this works a lot better with a touch screen, but I'm here on my using my MacBook, so I can use the mouse too. And so I'm going to try not to go outside the lines. You see how I have the green and blue line. Kids really love to be able to change up the colors of the lines. And again, I'm at 100% accuracy. The O took me 20%. And I'm ready for my next letter. This time I'm going to go Pittsburgh Steelers colors, black and yellow. Click next letter. And now I make my U. So I just follow the arrows. I go down. And then back up. And then when I reach the up arrow, it shows me to go back down. There we go. So that took me 12 seconds, and again, I was at 100% accuracy. So let's select new line colors. Let's try red and white to make my S. I'm going to show you what happens if I go outside the lines here. So I'm making an S. I'm going to purposely go outside the lines in a second, right here. And automatically, once I go outside the lines, my accuracy goes to 90%. So I follow this. If I go outside the line for a second time, I go to 80%. Then back to the arrow. Okay. So I was 80 accuracy that time. That time took me 20 seconds again. So I have one more letter. Let's do green and let's do green and I don't know, green and orange. And so I have to make this E. So I start here. Then the arrows switch. And when I'm done, I was at 100% accuracy. At that time, it only took me 12 seconds. So let's look at what happens when I click next letter. You see, it shows all the drawings I made. And if I choose to do the whole alphabet, it will show me A through Z. This is how you play Letter the Sky.